WhatsApp channels were launched globally in September 2023 as a new way for organizations and creators to broadcast updates to their followers. These are one-way communication tools where only channel administrators can send messages. As a channel follower, you have two main options to manage channels you no longer want to see. You can either unfollow a channel completely, which removes your association with it entirely, or hide a channel, which only removes it from your view while maintaining your subscription. The first method to unfollow a channel is through the Updates tab. Navigate to the Updates tab in WhatsApp, scroll to the Channels section, find the channel you want to remove, then long press on the channel name and select Unfollow from the menu. The second method is even more direct. Simply tap on the channel to open it. Then tap the channel name at the top of the screen and select Unfollow Channel from the options. This method works the same way on both Android and iOS devices. A key trend in 2025 is channel fatigue, where many users unfollow channels within 30 days due to content overload. Studies show that 40% of users experience this issue. To avoid information overwhelm, it's recommended to regularly clean up your channel subscriptions and be selective about which channels you follow. There are two main ways to hide channels from your WhatsApp interface without completely unfollowing them. The first method hides all channels globally, while the second lets you hide individual channels. Method 1. To hide all channels globally, open WhatsApp Settings, then select Privacy, choose Channels, and toggle off Show Channels in Updates. This will remove the entire channel section from your Updates tab. Method 2. You can hide individual channels by long pressing on any channel in your Updates tab and selecting Hide from the menu. This gives you more granular control over which channels appear in your interface. For channel administrators, there is a third option: permanently deleting the channel. This is a powerful action that completely removes the channel for all followers and cannot be undone. To delete a channel as an administrator, first open your channel, then tap the channel name at the top to access channel information. Scroll down to find Channel Settings and select Delete Channel. The system will then ask you to type the channel name exactly to confirm deletion. This safety measure prevents accidental deletions. Once you type the name correctly and tap Delete, the channel is permanently removed for all followers. As a channel administrator, following best practices is crucial. Always provide clear and easy-to-find unfollow instructions for your followers. Focus on creating quality, relevant content to naturally reduce the number of people who want to unfollow your channel. Remember, hiding channels gives you control over your interface without losing access, while deletion is permanent and affects all followers. Choose the method that best fits your needs and always consider the impact on your channel community.